What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor on your car's engine. My car is a Mazda 3 and my mass airflow sensor is located right there next to the airbox. The only two things you'll need is a screwdriver and the mass airflow sensor cleaner spray. I'll put a link in the description below for the cleaner. All modern internal combustion engines, the mass airflow sensor is located in between the airbox and the throttle body. There's the airbox, the mass airflow sensor, the throttle body, and the hose connecting the two. The mass airflow sensor senses the amount of air going into the engine and adjusts the fuel. Notice your fuel economy going down. It's a good idea to take this out and give it a good clean. Most cars, they are very simple to remove. You simply remove two screws. Pull the connector apart by pressing down on the tab in the center and pulling the connector off. Then simply pull straight up and it should pop right out. Here's a little closer look at the mass airflow sensor itself. You can see the two wires right in there. Those are what need to be cleaned. So you want to use a dedicated mass airflow sensor cleaner like this one made by CRC. So you want to just take your mass airflow sensor and give it a good spray. Make sure you don't touch those two wires with the spray nozzle or with your fingers. There's also an air pickup run right here, so it's a good idea to spray that out also. You really can't overdo it here. You just want to keep spraying and make sure it's nice and clean, but also make sure it's dried completely before you reinstall it in the car. As you can see, it's already pretty much dry. I'm going to give it a few more seconds and then put it back in the car. To reinstall it, you simply put it back into the hole. It's got a rubber O-ring there, so make sure that seats. Then you reinstall the connector and re-screw the two screws. That's it, you're all set. Start up the car and you're good to go. Do me a huge favor and please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.